review on this portable electric kettle. This electric kettle was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's open up this box. It does come with a user guide so you can keep track. It also tells you how to clean it and safety issues with it. It is packaged really well. I like how it is portable and you can drink it right from this cup itself. Right here is a flap where you would drink your hot liquid from there, and it just snaps. It also unscrews very, very easily. Looks like that's where the charging cord is. This charging cord is really, really durable looking. It looks like it's of high quality and it's going to be long lasting. This cup is stainless steel, and then the outer side is really a nice white. Well, let me rinse this out and we'll get some water in it and we'll see how fast that it does warm up our water. I have set it is warming up. I did set it to 195. There are 4 different presets. You can heat it up from 120 to 212. There is a steam spout, so you never have to worry about getting scalded by steam. And you can hear it working. It's working really, really fast. It'll just let us know, and it'll be a beep sound. And then we know our water is boiled. Plug the charger and close the back side up. It does fit very flush with the unit itself, so it will be a long-lasting door down here. All in all, I think this is a great buy, and I suggest it.